This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, everybody, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today, let's talk about very important application and it's big one, service catalog. Okay, let's start. So, first of all, you would like to know what is service catalog. Service catalog is an application within ServiceNow platform which can be used to providing the end customer supports and providing self-service opportunities. What is mean by self-service opportunities? For example, when employees join in the organization, so how they can get the laptop, mouse, keyboard, pen, paper, table, chair, locker. So they have to follow the request fulfillment process. The request fulfillment process is filled by service catalog application. So the service catalog application can be customized the portals where we customers can requesting the catalog items such as service and product offering. So every application is following the ITIL service portfolio. Like similarly, service catalog also like following the ITIL service portfolio management. Okay, so directly come to that service catalog offers too. Service catalog contain almost anything that may be computer equipment, software item like a kind of MS Office and other softwares as well, furnitures, office supplies, service like work request, password reset, support to resolve incidents, the record producer, order guide, and we can configure the workflow. ServiceNow workflow engine is very powerful and is used to automate our business process and providing different kind of services to customer automatically, like a kind of decision making and take the action itself and sending the notifications. So we do these all operations apart from workflow. So workflow engine is very powerful in ServiceNow platform. Automate our applications and the business process. Coming to service catalog architecture, so a service catalog may contain one or many categories, and one category may contain a number of subcategories. Each category or subcategory may contain a number of catalog items. So this is service catalog architecture, product architecture. So when you want to like requesting for laptop, first of all you have to log like navigate it to service catalog, then select respect to category, then select respect to subcategory, then you can select the item, which item you want to request. Okay, so when you submitted your request, automatically generate the request number. So a request may contain a number of request items. So a request item may contain one or many approvals. Just a second, guys. Okay, so this is a, fulfillment or architecture. So when you submitted request, so that request may contain one or many RITM. RITM nothing but request item. So to get this request item need to be completed the multiple tasks. So this is the request fulfillment open records architecture. Okay, and the next one is coming to config service catalog. Let's move to my legacy platform and then navigate it to service catalog. So go to the catalogs, service catalog. Under that we have a module called catalogs. By default, we have two catalogs: service catalog and technical catalog. So when I click on service catalog, here we can see different catalog categories: hardware category, software, desktop,
ఏంటన్నా
mobiles, peripherals, office,
ఇద్దరికి
and
బాధేస్తాను ఒకడెక్కడ
services.
లేకపోతే పోవాలా నేను చూస్తున్నాను కదా జస్ట్ ఐ కనెక్టెడ్ సో ఇట్ కమ్స్ జస్ట్ దిస్ మచ్ సౌండ్ ఓకే ఇంకా రాదు నువ్వు పడుకో
Okay. Next one. See, when you navigate it to catalogs, their customer can see a number of catalogs already configured. So when customer want requesting laptop, so they have to navigate to service catalog. So laptop is belongs to which category? Obviously hardware. And which laptop you want to request? That may be developer laptop, sales laptop, any other laptop. So for example, customer want requesting for this developer laptop. So when you click on this one, you can see all the details about this particular laptop. This is the technical spaces and configuration setup. So what are the features or contained and available into this particular laptop? So Intel Core i7 processor, and Intel Iris Pro graphic card, and a backlit keyboard. So these all the features are into this particular laptop. And if you want to select any optional software, so while requesting this particular laptop, so customer can be able to selecting the a number of softwares so they want to install into this particular machine. So I want to install Adobe Acrobat Reader and Photoshop and Eclipse IDE. And if you want to provide any additional software requirements, so those details you need to provide here. Okay. And so this is kind of a cart, look like Amazon and a Flipkart. Okay. So when you want to order this item directly, you can be able to click on the order. And if you want to add more items to this cart, so first of all, this item should be added to the cart. Now this item is going to add to the cart. Now again you can back to service catalog, and now this moment I'm selecting the software. Any software you can select, and this item also you can add it to the cart. And a total two items are added to my shopping cart. And if you want to order now, so click on proceed to checkout. If you want to add one more item to your shopping cart, you can add it. Click on proceed to checkout. So when you click on the proceed to checkout, your request has been submitted, and get this message. Thank you. Your request has been submitted. So your request and details you will be able to find here. So order placed on particular date and time, and this is about request number and estimated delivery date of completed this order. So this is my request number. In this request, total how many items I'm going to requested items. One is Microsoft Access, second one is MacBook Pro. And when you go to request, here we can see how many items were requested. So this is a request record, and scroll down. So total how many request items are requested? Two items. If you open any specific request item, so this each item background it's running one workflow. Okay, so we can explore one by one. Okay, background already they have configured this catalog. Okay, so now I'm going to create my own catalog. The catalog name is wood accessories. So differently, I'm going to creating wood accessories. In real case, like they are created like already service catalog and a technical catalog. Differently, I'm going to creating one more new catalog. How to create new catalog into service catalog application? So there is one module called maintain catalog. Go to maintain catalogs. Already these catalogs are available. I'm going to create new service catalog. So the catalog name is wood accessories. And who is the manager of this like a catalog? You can select anybody as manager as per the business requirement. Michael. And editors. If you select anybody as editor, this person will be able to edit and modify this particular service catalog. Only this person have the permission to edit and modify the something into wood accessories catalog. And coming to enable wishlist. Guys, do you know what is enable wishlist? Anybody idea on that? Guys, anybody idea on wishlist? Everybody very frequently using Flipkart and Amazon, right? Daily we're able to see enable wishlist option. So you tell me what is the purpose of this enable wishlist? What is that wishlist option?
In the future, if you want to order favorite
Okay,
things,
yes, kind of favorite means, for example, I want purchase mobile, Apple iPhone 13, 13s. Okay, so this Apple iPhone 13s mobile, I don't want purchase immediately. Okay, that item I want purchase in future. So because every time if you want to search that particular item from that Amazon or Flipkart, very difficult to customer, right? That's why. So your desired item, so that item can we can add it to wish list. Okay, so when customer they want to add item to wish list, first of all we have to provide the option to add the item to wish list. As a developer, I'm going to enable a wish list option. So the wish list option is not available by default for every catalog. If you want to enable a wish list option to customer, you need to enable the checkbox. And next one is description I'm going to providing. So why you are going to creating this particular catalog. So this catalog is using to requesting wood accessories item. So this catalog background color is white. And if you want to add any desktop image, you can add the desktop image. Choose file. In my case, already I have downloaded different images. Catalog images already I downloaded. In your case, you can download the different images as per the requirement. Click on OK. In real case, so I can't download any images. So these all the images are provided by the client itself. Okay, and then update. And in customer point of view, where you can check the new catalog is created or not. Go to service catalog, new cat like a click on catalogs. So still we are able to see only two catalogs. What about wood accessories? So wood accessories catalog which is not added to list of the catalogs. How can you add our new catalog to list of catalogs? Go to plus icon and select wood accessories and add here. Go to catalogs. It's not added properly. Save it like a wood accessories selected wood accessories and add here. So wood accessories has been added successfully. Same, right? And when you open service catalog, that service catalog may contain a number of categories. Each category may contain a number of catalog items. Similarly, we have to configure different categories into my wood accessories. When I open wood accessories, there are no categories into it. Okay, so now I'm going to configure the categories. So what like how many categories you want to create? Suppose in my case, I want to create two categories. One is a wood chair and second one is the wood tables. So now I'm going to create the categories. How can you create category? There is one more module called maintain category. So directly we can search with the shortcut or else navigate it to service catalog and the catalog definition maintain categories. Already they have created 46 categories. Now I'm going but for different catalogs. Now going to create one more new category. My category is wood shades. So this wood shades category need to be populated under which catalog? Just we have to do the configuration setup. That's enough. Wood accessories. Okay, this wood accessories and wood shades are available on which location? That location we can select as per the requirement. So this category you want to make it as a like a child one. That parent you need to select, but not required. So leave it out empty. And now I'm going to select in the images, wood shade desktop option, click on OK, and I'm going to add header icon also. Same shade icon I'm going to add to header icon. Icon is not required, and then update. So again, I need to check, go to catalog, and when you open service catalog, here we can find a number of categories. Similarly, go to wood accessories. Right now, there are no categories. So we have to add the manually. So click on plus and wood shades, click add here. And similarly, going to create one more category. You know how to create the category, maintain categories. And the second category is in wood accessories is wood tables. Wood tables. Which catalog you want to display wood accessories, and if you want to provide any description about that this category, you can provide the details and a location also you can select where it is located. And I'm going to add in the desktop image. Wood table icon, click on OK. Click on OK and update. Again back to service catalog. Let me check how these categories are displaying. Wood accessories, and now let me add that one more wood table, add here. Okay, so I don't want display the two icons. I want this like a remove the one header icon not required. So directly you can be able to edit this particular widget. Click on pencil to edit this widget, and I don't want so that header icon. Just you can delete it and update. So one icon is enough. And similarly, okay, so I want to remove the header icon. Only desktop image is enough. Okay. So again, go to service catalog, and here we have different categories. When you open any specific category, here we can see different catalog items, right? And go to catalogs again, open wood accessories. When I open wood shades, so I could not find any items. Okay, so how can you configure catalog items to the specific category and a catalog? And similarly go to service catalog, catalog definition, maintain item is the one more module is there. So maintain catalog, maintain category, maintain item, maintain items. So almost they have like almost already they created 153 catalog items. These all are default one. Okay, now going to create new catalog item. So in your case you can follow the documentation, guys. Configure the service catalog category and wood table category. Now exercise number 4, configure service catalog item. Navigate to service catalog, catalog definition, and maintain item. So my catalog item name is Apple Wood Chain. This Apple Wood Chain need to be populated under which catalog? Wood accessories. And which category? Wood chain category. And who is the owner of this catalog item? System administrator, because system administrator is going to configure this catalog item. Every catalog item may contain these all the tabs. So here we have to provide all the details about our catalog item. So the description is Apple Wood Chain. Apple Wood Chain requesting for personal purpose. And if you want to provide more like details about your item, like a description. Okay, so Apple would share features we have to define here. Apple would share features, bold and text color, underline. So Apple would share best quality. So these all the specifications we have to provide according to your business requirement. Okay, for example purpose, I'm going to provide these all the details. Best quality, uh, best product in 2021, home seat on top, more years warranty, waterproof, good quality warranty. Okay, so just I have defined some qualities and features which are in Apple would share. Let me change that text color and points only 8. Okay, and next one is I'm going to talking about meta tag. So when customer try to like requesting this Apple would share, then you need to no need to search for that complete name, search with complete name. That case, so when they can type that Apple in service portal, so the system should be display that Apple would share. It's a kind of meta tag. If you want to pass a number of meta tags, every meta tag should be separate with comma. So in this case, I have passed only one meta tag, it's Apple. Okay, and a process engine we can discuss later when we working with workflow. And if you want to add any pictures to your item, and you can add the picture icon and a picture both you want to add, you can add both. Choose file and the pricing. So when you want to purchase this item in your organization, so the pricing we need to configure as per the requirement. So this is $1,000. So when you want to debit your amount from your account, so every month $100. So recurring price frequency will be monthly. And portal settings we can discuss later. So portal is separate concept. Okay. Now let me update the record. Navigate it to service catalog. Already we are in service catalog. Catalog. Open wood accessories. So we have different categories which can wood a table. So when I open the wood share, so you can see all the details. See, go to catalogs, service catalog, hardware is the category. So when you open that hardware category here, so we have different catalog items, right? So when you open any item, here we can see all the details about your item. Click on here, item details and as well as cart. And go to catalogs, wood accessories, and wood shades. And when you open that Apple wood shade, so you can see all the details about Apple wood shade. So while purchasing or requesting this Apple Woodshare item, so they can go through specifications like what are the features in this particular Woodshare. So when they want to request this Woodshare, right? See, add wish list. So this wish list option is not available by default for my wood accessory service catalog. See, go to catalogs, service catalog, and when you go to open hardware and select any item, so I could not see any add wish list, right? So add wishlist option has been enabled to my service catalog. So when they created this service catalog, they did not enable add wishlist. That's why customer unable to see add wishlist option. If you go to my service catalog wood accessories and wood shade and open wood shade, see add wishlist. So when you add this item as a wishlist, so this item can be added to wishlist. And this moment I'm going to order now. So when you click on that order, immediately the request will be generated. So this is a request number, and order has been placed and estimate delivery date. Background, it's running one workflow. That is a separate topic we will discuss later. That's clear up to now. Any questions? Any questions in?
Srinivas, I just wanted to know, like, how does the payment gateways are integrated? Like, now we have placed the order. Suppose my next step would be to buy this, right? And I have to pay the amount. So how does that integrate here?
Actually, this is the only internal purpose we are using. Service catalog application
Mhm.
99 100% we are using only internal purpose requesting for different kind of items. Okay, man.
Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
so it's not kind of like Amazon and Flipkart and my like a Myntra, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when internal developers or customer like internal people they want requesting any kind of item, so they have to use service catalog application. Service catalog application also look like that like Flipkart and Amazon, but no need to include in that any like a payment gateway. Payment gateway is not required.
Okay.
Okay, in
Suppose
case you
if
want to integrating the payment gateway, that is a simple topic. So we need to talk to the ServiceNow company. They can provide the assist. They can assist you to how to configure the payment gateway. 100% payment gateway is not like including into service catalog application. It's not required. So only for internal purpose.
okay, okay.
For
And
example, so when you join in the organization, okay, you are joining the organization. Okay, so when you join in the organization, you are requesting for mouse. So mouse is providing by your company, right? You are the employee of the specific organization or project. So they will be providing all the facilities to start your work. So no need to pay any amount to get the mouse, right? So who is responsibility to provide all the like items to start your work? Service like a respective company or project. Clear?
yeah, yeah, okay.
But service catalog applications look like Flipkart and Amazon, but we are not using for that purpose, sales purpose. It's only like a delivery purpose in internally. Okay.
Okay, okay.
and
And
requestment process.
and one more question is like when you go to the service catalog, right? By default, we will have that service and technical catalog by default created, or
Yes, by default, we have a service catalog and technical catalog. If you don't want to use those existing catalogs and categories and catalog items, you can delete all the demo data. In real case
okay,
also, when you purchase service catalog application, by default, you will get demo data. If you don't want to use demo data, so you can delete all the items and categories and catalogs. Then you can create your own catalogs. So we have to follow the this process to configure the catalogs. Already we seen, right?
yes, yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay. It's a big application, not completed. Okay, it will take almost so now we are in basic level. So that we can move to
Okay,
one by one. Okay.
okay, yeah, thank you.
And one more very important thing, every ServiceNow developer, as per the client requirement, we have to configure the catalog, categories, and catalog items from where legacy platform. Go to maintain catalog, maintain category, maintain item. But customers always requesting these all items from where service portal only. Service portal. So developers always they can configure these all the things from where legacy platform. Okay, and when customer they want requesting any item, always they are going to using service portal. How we can open service portal? Just you have to copy the link up to .com. In real case, so we could not find any number. This is the development ID number, right? In the real case, we can see production.bench.servicenow.com. So instead of the number, we can see the your client name bench.servicenow.com, herohonda.servicenow.com, electrolux.servicenow.com, audi.servicenow.com, like that. How can you navigate and open service portal? Very simple. Copy that link of your instance. Okay, so this link should be extends with SP. SP is nothing but service portal. So what is the use of service portal, guys? So service portal is the advanced level framework and it is providing a friendly and a mobile user interface. And everybody can be able to requesting any item very easily from service portal instead of using legacy platform. So when you navigate to service portal, it's providing friendly and a better user interface and a mobile user interface. So when customers want requesting any item from service portal, navigate it to catalog and browse by category. When we click on the browse by category, showing all the categories in respect to catalog. So this is called breadcrumb. So now we are in which catalog, guys? Service catalog, and it's showing all categories. What about my catalog? My catalog is not displaying, right? So I have configured a new catalog as per the client requirement. That new catalog is not going to appear in my service portal. So how can you inherit that new catalog into service portal? Very simple. So go to service portal application. Service portal application is there separately. Service portal and go to portals. The recent portal is service portal. Okay, and scroll down. So right now we are able to get only one catalog. It is service catalog. If you want to include your new catalog also, very simple, click on edit. So which catalog you want to show in service portal, that catalog also you have to include. So wood accessories and save it. Yes, my configuration is done, and click on update. Directly if you want to go to the service portal, click on try it. Automatically the system will be navigated to service portal. So changes are not replicate immediately, we have to reload the browser. Previously, we've seen only one catalog, right? Now we're able to see multiple catalogs. So which catalog items you want to open with accessories? Okay, so when customer click on that Apple Wood share, open Apple Wood share and click on order now and checkout, order will be placed automatically. Okay, so customer will be able to see all the details when it was submitted and get the request number and estimated delivery date. And here you can see all the details about your item name, delivery date, current stage of the item, and price, quantity, total. Okay, so stage can be defining what is the current stage of the item. For example, when you requested any item, when you purchase any item in Flipkart and Amazon, you are checking the status continuously, right? Here also, when customer requested for any item, so they will be able to check the state of that item continuously. So they can check from where service portal only. So this is the way how to configure the new catalog into my service portal. Clear? Clear, guys? Any questions up to now? Any questions, guys, up to now? Any questions? Aditya, Naresh, Nandan, Deepika, Jagadish. Do you have any queries up to now?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, let's move to another topic is types of catalog items. ServiceNow, like a service catalog application, is going to offer different types of catalog items. One is the record producer, second one is the order guide, third one is the content item, and the fourth one is already we done catalog item. Okay, and anybody noticed? So some catalog items may contain the variables also. Okay, so variables are used to collecting the information from the user. For example, when customer try to create instant ticket, so the incident form may contain different fields to collecting information from the user. Similarly, service catalog items and record producer and order guide and managing some variables to collecting the information from the user while requesting. Already we seen, right? So when customer requesting for a developer laptop, so we are giving some options to them, right? So optional software, so these are variables. Yes, you will be able to configure the like a variables into item level also. Okay, so I can show you later how can you configure the variables. So before that, so what is the catalog item? Different types of catalog items. So record producer is a very important topic in service catalog. Very frequent asking so many questions in record producer and order guide. So now I'm going to working with record producer. What is record producer? Record producer is a kind of catalog item. So record producer also type of catalog item that can be allows to end user to creating task based records such as instance from service catalog. It is alternative way creating instant ticket. Simply I can say, for example, so when customer they want to create instant, when customer create instant ticket, guys, first of all, so now I'm trying to get the bank statement for last 1 year. In this case, what I have to do, I have to create instant ticket. So now I need mouse. It's a kind of request. Don't create an instant ticket. So when I want to get the mouse, it's a kind of request. When I want to get a laptop, it's a kind of request. So when I want to get the locker, it's a kind of request. It's not incident. So incident is nothing but unexpected interruption. So when customer facing the problem, unfortunately their business application, they have to create incident ticket. Okay, so when you want to get that any kind of item, that may be software and hardware, mobile, office supplies and peripherals, these all are considered like request items. So when you want to request any item, we have to follow the requestment fulfill process. And the third one is, so when you want to book a flight, suppose I am one internal employee, I'm the team leader of Java department. I am team lead of Java department. So when I want to book a flight ticket on site, okay, so I have to raise a request. Okay, this is a kind of task based record. It's not instant ticket to get instant ticket because it's not like a, it is kind of it's not a kind of issue. Okay, and it's not item to requesting. And what is this one? This is called task based record. I want book a flight ticket. I want book a flight ticket. It's a kind of request, but it's not item. So when you want to provide the kind of task based record to the customer, so we have to create the record producer. Practically, you can understand everything is very clearly. Don't worry. Okay. So record producer is a kind of catalog item that will be allows to end user to create the task based record. So kind of request items, kind of like simply I can say it is alternative way creating instant ticket. So every time no need to create the instant ticket. A record producer can provide the better customer experience instead of following the regular task. So the look and feel record producer is similar to that of like a catalog item, but the record producer is generating a task record. What does it mean by task based record? So I can elaborate more into it. So when we're working with record producer. Okay, so now I'm going to creating record producer. How to create record producer? So go to service catalog item, sorry, service catalog and the catalog definition. Go to record producer. What is record producer? Record producers. Already they have implemented some record producers, right? So password reset is one record producer which is already implemented. Let me open the record producer in service portal. Navigate to like a service portal and go to all catalogs. And can we help you? All the record producers are going to configure into which category can we help you category. So password reset, which is kind of record producer, which is already implemented. So let me open customer point of view. This is my record producer. So this record producer can defining password needs reset. So for example, when internal people they want to reset the password on any respective application, they have to use password reset record producer. Okay, so whose password needs to be reset? The person we have to select the password needs to be reset for that Adela. And the second question is, what application password do you need reset? That application you have to select it. How would you like to be contacted with your new password? Once the password has been reset, the password need to be sent to like a customer via email or telephone or SMS. They can select something and submit. So when you submit a record producer, automatically it will be create the incident ticket. So why it is going to create an incident ticket? That is my question. Guys, anybody idea on this? When I submitted record producer, the system is going to creating one incident ticket. So this is an incident ticket. Incident has been created. So when they are configured, when they have configured or created this record producer, so that moment they have selected the table called incident. So what are the records are going to creating to these record producers? So these all records are going to store into incident table. So when I created my own record producer, I can show you. Okay. So how can you configure that specific table to store the record producer records? Okay, so once the incident has created, so then they can follow the incident life cycle. Already we know the incident life cycle. It's a kind of task based record. So when customer want to like reset the password, no need to follow the like a regular activity. So differently, so we can configure the record producers. So this record producer we can pass to the people, they can do it. Okay, clear guys. So now time is over. Tomorrow I can show you how to create so record producers into service catalog. Okay, I'm going to end up class today. See you tomorrow.